You go into business, number one for yourself and number two for your loved ones. And although you knew it would be challenging, you're definitely excited, you're definitely hungry to take action. Though as the business grows, so can the challenges. Whether it be managing your time effectively, dealing with the stress of cash flow management, or even customer retention, there are a whole series of different hurdles that can stand in the way of your success and make business growth seem daunting or even threatening. And that's why we're here to help, because embarking on a business coaching journey involves 4 key steps. It begins with an initial consultation where you discuss your aspirations, your challenges with your coach. Next comes the business assessment stage, where you and your coach thoroughly evaluate your business to understand its strengths, its weaknesses, and all of the growth opportunities. After that session, you and your coach will work together to set goals that align with your long-term vision. And now these goals can become the compass, the guiding point, if you like, the North Star for your coaching sessions, where your coach provides personal guidance and support to help you overcome any obstacles and definitely achieve the success that you deserve. To make the most of your coaching experience, it's very crucial that you prepare both mentally and practically. Mental preparation means, prepare to be honest, open, transparent with your coach and embrace a readiness to take action. Practically, that means organize your financials, openly discuss the current financial situation, and allow your coach to provide tailored guidance that is going to help you the most. Now, if you follow these steps, these preparations, you're going to maximize the benefits of business coaching and unlock your full potential in the world of business. Coaching programs can start as little as £100 a week, and they can move up to as much as £1,500 and beyond for bespoke, tailored one-to-one coaching. Remember this, all coaching programs come with a guaranteed result and a guaranteed return on investment. So what's next? Take the first steps towards unlocking your business' full potential by booking a free discovery call with us today. If you don't want to do that, alternatively, you can simply complete our next level assessment quiz using the link provided. It's completely free and entails no obligations. It may just be the kickstart you need on your journey towards success. Now, we believe that being in business should provide you with the freedom to pursue both your passions and also achieve your goals. We commit to supporting every single step of the way. So let's do this.